All right, students, buckle up because we're about to take a fascinating journey through space. Ever wondered why the sun and the moon look about the same size in the sky, even though we know the sun is massive? Well, it's because the sun is about 150 million kilometers away, while the moon is just 390,000 kilometers away. The sun is actually about 500 times larger than the moon. Crazy, right? Now, if you take a look at a diagram of our solar system, you'll notice something interesting. There are four small planets close to the Sun: Mercury, Venus, Earth, and Mars. Then, further out, there are the four gas giants: Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, and Neptune. Mercury is 60 million kilometers away from the Sun, while Neptune is a staggering 4,500 million kilometers away. If we tried to draw this to scale, Neptune would be a whole kilometer away from the Sun. Imagine trying to fit that on a piece of paper. Let's talk about movement. You've probably learned that Earth spins on its axis once every 24 hours, giving us day and night. It also orbits the Sun once every 365 and a quarter days, which is what we call a year. But guess what? Every planet in our solar system makes similar movements. They all spin on their axes and orbit the Sun, but they each take different amounts of time to do so. We measure these periods in terms of Earth days and Earth years to keep things simple. Now let's zoom in on Earth's moon. It takes 29.5 days for the moon to complete one orbit around Earth, a period we call a month. As the moon orbits, we see different phases, sometimes half the moon, sometimes the full moon, and sometimes no moon at all. This happens because only half of the moon can be lit by the sun at any one time. The part of the moon that we see from Earth changes as it orbits, giving us those phases. When the moon is fully lit, we call it a full moon, and we get to see this stunning sight once a month. So next time you look up at the night sky, remember these amazing facts about our solar system. Until next time, keep looking up and stay curious.